For getting us all those details there. We have some more information now coming in. This is through the government, we understand. The government in a message has said that Pakistan has used armed drones to target civilian areas. However, the situation is under close watch. This is the latest that's coming in, and there is no need to panic. Prompt action is being taken. Government has informed that drones were sighted at 26 sites near the LOC with Pakistan, and Indian Army is on high alert. The situation is under close watch. To talk more on this, Major General R.C. Padhi is also now joining us on the broadcast. All right, I'm also being told that my colleague Vishnu is joining us on the broadcast as well. He is getting us more about this information now coming in. Vishnu, the government in a clear messaging says Pakistan has used armed drones to target civilian areas.
That's right. Well, this is a significant escalation. This is an update which comes to us from defense sources. Drones have been sighted at 26 locations ranging from Baramulla in the north to Bhuj in the south, along the international border and the line of control. There is the suspected use of armed drones as well, which pose potential threats to civilian and military targets. The locations include Baramulla, Srinagar, Avantipura, Nagrota, Jammu, Firozpur, Pathankot, Fazilka, Lalgarh, Jatta, Jaisalmer, Barmer, Bhuj, Kuwarbet and Lakhinala. Regrettably, an armed drone has targeted a civilian area in Firozpur, resulting in severe injuries to members of a local family. Those who have been injured have been provided medical assistance. Very importantly, the armed forces are deploying anti-drone systems, counter-drone systems. The situation is under watch. Citizens are urged to remain calm, especially in border areas. These citizens are told to remain indoors, limit unnecessary movement, strictly follow safety instructions issued by local authorities. And here's a very important statement. While there is no need for panic, heightened vigilance and precaution are essential. What this basically means, through the use of Pakistani armed drones, there is a fairly severe escalation which has taken place. People need to stay calm. The government, the armed forces are responding to the situation right now. The situation in Firozpur is unfortunate. That's because an armed drone did strike a civilian area, resulting in injuries to a family. So this is what we are hearing right now. These attacks, like last night, over a large area, 26 areas, and I've listed the areas for you.
All right. Thank you so much, Vishnu, for getting us those details there. So this is clear, 26 locations where these drones have been sighted. And this is from Baramulla in north to Bhuj in the south. This is the statement coming in from official sources in the government. These include suspected armed drones posing potential threats to civilian and military targets. But the government clearly here maintaining that we are vigilant, we are on high alert. And there is no need to panic, and the situation is under close watch. All right. Major General R.C. Padhi with us on the broadcast here. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to NDTV. What do you understand of the situation at the moment, sir?
Thank you, and Jai Hind. My analysis is that, in response to that terrorist attack in Kashmir, we destroyed in the first phase, we destroyed 9 terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan. Yes. And now the conflict has widened, and in this particular stage, mostly the air defense systems of both the countries are active. Now, the Pakistanis have got the air defense systems from the China, and the drones are mostly from the Turkey origin. Whereas we have got a very well integrated air defense system, which is well networked and which is networked by the Army, Navy and Air Force. It has got 3 verticals. It has got sensors, it has got battlefield command and control system, and it has got the ability to kill both kills. When I say kill, both soft kill as well as the hard kill capabilities. Now, what we see that our systems have been more effective